Assalam-o-alaikum dear students, my name is Abdul Rahman and today we will work on Adobe Photoshop lesson number 2. So let's start it. Click on the shortcut of Adobe Photoshop, double click for open. Today we will discuss Adobe Photoshop interface. First of all, on the top where you can see the icon of Photoshop and also name of Adobe Photoshop, and the right side of this bar button of close, 3 buttons for close, minimize or maximize. This bar is namely known as title bar, and the down bar where you can see file menu, edit menu, image, layer, select. It was called by the name the menu bar, which is shown the down position of title bar. And the third bar where you can see auto select, layer and show boundary bars and these shapes. It's called a property bar and also called by ribbon bar. It has changed situation with every tool. Every tool has its own property bar where you can see. I'll select the selection tool and property bar became change. I select the pen tool, property bar became change. I select the brush tool or pencil tool, property bar has been changed. So with the property bar, the file browser and browser bar is also namely known as property bar. And the left side of screen vertically bar, which has showing different shapes of functions, it's called a toolbar. We present every work with the help of these tools in Adobe Photoshop at working area. Right side of screen you can see the plates which have different shapes and colors and name like switches, tile, action, history, layers, navigators, etc. These are called above namely plates or window plates. You can remove them and also get back like this. You can click on the cross button and close. If you want to get back them, you will go to the window menu, and here you can see all the work, all the plate names. Just check on the name which plate you want to get back on the position. So click on the navigator. You can see the navigator bar has become back. Now if you want to reset all the plates on one click, so go on the window menu, next workplace, and go to the reset plate locations. Okay, so click on the reset plate locations and you can see all plates in one click get to the back position in working. And the down bar you have see is empty now. When I will open a working file, a working environment, you can see here some readings. This bar is called namely status bar. We have discussed all about the interface of Adobe Photoshop. During working on Adobe Photoshop, you have need a notebook and pencil for note every command, every difficult work you have need to learn. When you will forget for remaining, you have need to a notebook. We will meet in the next video. Take care.